So painful. Some of you now, and they see some stupid people comment. Listen and listen well. Those of you now will not know how some details start. It's either you ask or you just watch or get an F off my comment section. I don't really go on time. That's why I get the time. Not be una. Because when Atuari was dealing with me for no just cause, for what I know nothing about. Whenever they use phone by that time, never they use phone by that time. I be una blind. I feel like they worry una that time. When Actually they press me like telecommando remote control, I couldn't speak. I was helpless. Apart from some few people who God will bless for this internet. They say, what did this girl do you? Good. Hear my story. Actually, I don't cook your porridge. I go post come for you if I come for church. Make sure say you eat some. Go to bed. Now let God where they ever go fit touch my heart. Say, let this woman be. Because anytime I remember your nonsense, they trigger me. Actually started a social stupid career years ago, so be around 12 years ago, 30 years ago. Then I was still in Belgium. That time, she and her friend, they still there as normal. Then they just started newly. Her friend, they tired gele, they teach me how to make up soft, slowly and going. She was really the calm type. Me, I be calm person. I not really bad what I restart. Right from the onset, I not really bad. Actually, not be my favorite. I'm not be two of them. So what happened? I can't use my sister Facebook the way she just dey misbehave. I can't use my sister Facebook to comment for her page. She go carry my sister comment. That time I still dey Belgium. She dealt with my sister's mother merciless. So me and that really problem not be today start. I told me I dey beg my sister that one cry. I couldn't beg her. Say, no vessel. Help me. I not intentionally do and me she can't insult me. Say, oh, I beg. I can't go to her friend, Mrs. Alaribe. I beg, let me beg your nuisance of a person. That I not call her nuisance. And now they call her nuisance. So let me beg and see what thing happen. And she can say, really? I can say yes. So I beg, oh. I beg, oh. I can't beg her. I don't know. She can't beg her. She can't drop the. She can't drop the photo of my. She's more or less like a mother to me. She can't drop the my sister mama picture. That is 2018, 2017, 2018, 2017. 217 to 218 now they turn and so. She can't drop her. Now I can't beg my sister. Beg. That's my sister. I can't call her and delete that Facebook. You can't. I'm not going to remember. I can't beg her. The year my mother don't dey sick that time, 2018. I did Belgium. Okay, the fan. Okay, thank you. So when the time when she take go Christmas, when she take go Lady Meg ask for Christmas, go shop for Pocky or where she go when she say she shop for Pocky. What really about me phone if I anything that you want, if I name a fridge or really you any. Now they hear me now. Thank you slogan. Now the fan be the disturb. Now they hear me now. Ogiri if I name wo wa ene. Ogi so wa when you know the ani wa we or waiting here your query in here your reason. Okpe na to arike reason. Ekita no. Ekita. One no. Ogiri sorry ayone or we now no mean I be very playful somebody. Me and my friend, Mama Blessing Lydia. I did that one as that time. I just need to come for Italy. Now when they ask my normal drama. Oh, Joko. Actually, you know, I fear with the Ogamabo. Oh, we ye me go one. Ye me was say, Gege, Yaki, Frigi. Concern me, concern this woman. My girlfriend called me, wake up, me where? Dana. Me where, me at where? Okay, I need to block your papa now. No, go boo, where to I could go out. Don't use to try to block you now. why is there? Now I tell my friend, I said, yeah, delete it. No, you got a problem. Now we delete her. So from there, she was not my favorite. That is why that one at the top say, now so I be GPC and me. As soon as I be avant, it was so unfortunate. Fast forward, we can't do, you know, say time heal all pains, right? I was healed from the inside. I was fine. I was okay. So I forgave. Genuinely. We can't do waka dey go. Until wetin happen come happen. If she see where for the cost person, if I talk put na me, she go fair pick for inside. I not worry. Unknowingly to me, I'm not talking from a place of pain. I want to remind them, I say 100 years is not forever. Say, because a person who she cherished most, who was, listen to my English, who was in a gang, GPC, loved me. That one, no. Can't go tell Atwari. Say, he like this girl. That was when my problem started with Atwari. Because that one was a shareholder in a GPC gang. That one was your talking do, her baba na baba. That one was her father Christmas. That one was her large and the biggest giver. When they say somebody, they give no nonsense. For a person to pledge and gave you the sum of 15,000 pounds, then it was about over 30 million naira. Where you put for this useless and nonsensical baby fella where return so. You know what it means. Minus every other gifts. Is it clothing? Is it money to eat? Is it rentage? Is it children clothes? Actually, can say lie. If we marry this girl, problem. The stupid, useless, handicapped, financially handicapped, stupid, non-ethical husband where actually marry. That one can't go talk. Say me, my eye too tear. Say me not good for that kind of person to marry. Say because my eye too tear. How can a professional, how can a medical person marry person with this social media? Now we know Bruce actually was it social media. I never knew all this until 2 years ago. I can't still rest. Wait, I must not go up against me. Now that time Mommy Opaeka can't say no say I don't forgive Mommy Opaeka. Lies they Asaboro here. Say, who you can make now? I don't know say it was a good case. This thing why they talk so Mommy Opaeka is involved. You know what I'm saying? They can't go carry one girl, can't give her. I don't know as the teacher Mama Opaeka aunt. Mama Opaeka can't talk say if na so make the girl buy ticket for her, make they go Nigeria. I was like, what did I, the voice record today? So what did I do to all these people? Okay, make they carry the man go, make I get peace. Even if I do anything good, if I actually want to talk and go talk outside down. Just to, because that one get, he heart they so fragile. Actually don't carry his brain already. Now the heart can't remain. So anything we actually talk is easily to be manipulated by actually because a little touch of it back can't join her. A little touch of it back he can't join her. And actually we may meet someone. So don't ask me actually. Are you crazy? Then the same actually we sit with our so-called useless people. They say I never go marry. When you know what happened, are you mad or something? Oh, as if that is not enough. Actually, the husband can't do me. But waiting happen, but waiting not happen, both two are dates, both two are not dates. Actually, and the husband, they follow WhatsApp, follow everywhere. They go carry Charlie Brown picture, carry the they carry the one way. Even the one way never near where near. Actually, walk your erede. Erede only walk me. Erede only walk me. Hey you. It's okay. I don't know this one there. I can't rest until the day we take final bold step. Come meet me. I let go. I forgive everybody. But you say actually, I will never, unless God will come by himself, tell me say, if no more, you've done well. It's okay. My people, very amount of come. Before then, peace they will not get problem again. People come they say I did GPC. I don't really did GPC. I don't know where GPC they. But I get to the GPC. I get Oga pata of them for inside GPC. I get Papa, get Mama inside GPC. That thing day I have to talk. Till tomorrow. So that's why I am always with you like your shadow. No tell me. No just tell me. I don't want to add their gossip journal because this is strictly between me and Atuari. Strictly between me and I'm not be dirty fighter like I told they carry people in no career. After I set that door, my mama can't die. My mama died. I knew enter UK then. I was not really fine. I was not okay. I was not okay then. Financially, I was not okay. I needed help. Make I quit bury my mama come up for them. Because not be say they go house. Egg you say so where you know where I never believed on myself. That is why when that thing insult me, I just let it slide. Even if say Frank they insult me today, I not go answer. I not be say I not fit to. Not be say I not get that strength. But you see where they for rescue me. Then me and Frank get problem. Atiti can come inside. I can say, oh, Ghanaian Frank, you know when my Frank is cool. Because he never worry. He go talk to Frank. He can't really talk to Frank. Frank will say, Asaboro, you beg also on a problem. Frank really helped me that period. Atiti to help me that period. I can't run go meet my mommy. Mommy Kinebo. Then they were still together. Listen and listen well. Then she goes, okay, she go talk to Monica. I think I go sit there. My mommy again with the Canada. EFA. If go say okay, she go talk to her bed. She for good make I call her by myself. Now I say really, it's okay, give me her phone. That was the mistake I made in my entire life. And the thing they paid me. I wish I can withdraw it. I could call Monica. I will not lie. As I call Monica, I come and say, I beg, you say my mama died? And I say, yes, I beg me. Because okay, when be the burial, and I say, I'm not just quit one come off for ground. Because okay, man, no worry, she go help us. Actually, I didn't know even help not be my problem because the one all of una do for me, I say okay. True to God who made me. After even burial, I know what thing I realize after that burial. What is still remain. So it might go why I say all of una God will bless una. What it can happen? Actually, was given the sum of £800 by a person, I be almost £800. Make it give me. Actually, not give me. Can't shop that money. He not even pay me. Say actually shop that money because but guess what? Actually, not chop that money. Actually, chop that money. Not give me. Not pay me because that money came from a person who said he loves me. Actually, refused to release that money. He not pay me, but actually had the audacity. Actually had the effrontery on a years old when the time of Julie London come. Actually, good must stop, boy. Actually, oh my Jesus, this is the same Actually and Julie London. They are more or less like cats and rats. But because I was involved, Actually dealt with me with no mercy. Actually lied. Then I was voiceless. Thank God for Frank who stood beside me. I was hearing the Frank had to about myself. He be zubezo. Iyo aya here. Iyo monoma say eti guya. Frank stood solidly behind, but I opened up to Frank. I gave him Frankie. Oh, David. What happened? Do I really know Julie London? Yes. When I was in Europe, Is she my godmother? Hell no, she was not. She has never been my godmother. Do we know for 10 years, capital letter N-E-O? No, not at all. Truth takes time to come to the limelight. Actually framed up everything to cover Ironariene so that the same Baba na Baba of hers to just hate me for no reason. Actually, now you be in no do maro be or no be available. Actually, I don't know the poliga bawe. Una never know I am webo. You got borrow away. You got Jano no yamuri. No, I gave a boy. So actually was under it. Letting go is not the issue, but until I end my mat. I didn't know what my tears. I know. To the London, actually, Julie just said that one like this is what happened. But actually told her no. She even said Julie told her when he might get enough for 10 years. He might go daughter no. Actually when my ya 10 on am with actually not getting down, not getting with it. Mamma carry out that meeting. Nah, never area gonja. Arrest Frank now when he away. But thank God for Frank. Then my mommy can't come say, well, we're not there because if I know you're not me, are you? We know the top person matter. What do you mean? Me walk by an in your area. She was like, where Julie there? You know, we mommy on. Ouija. Maybe do what barrow do where my way. So my problem was like, two of them were friends, unknowingly to me. So I came in between. Stupid and foolish of her to her thinking the way she do friendship with people. That's the way I do my own. Like I go carry Julie matter go give Mommy Kinebo. I'll carry Mommy Kinebo matter go give Julie. I was different. I just with my permits. When I see where me and actually problem for the concert, it not get finishing point for now. Mommy Kinebo was doff-handed. She said he's a little bit okay. Let her see if she can talk to Atuari. No noise Atuari don't already gather two of us together. Oh well, no, me you deal with this woman, me finish. That was how Atuari started problem with Mommy Kinebo. All for this my sake again, for no reason, for no just cause. If you not hear voice recording of Atuari, when she take the talk nonsense about me, say, Asaboro ma we no pa gien wa gbe. Who remember then when Mommy Kinebo can go Facebook, go right, say, until you now tell me what Asaboro do, I stand with Asaboro. That was when her problem arose. That's why Actually, problem was, why will you stand with a person I told you categorically to stay away from? Imagine an illiterate, a non-entity, a nobody, a low life. They authorize in fact a sanctified nurse, not be practicing nurse, a nurse to another onaga rob you wampa. Oye rob ye madame. Ona transfer ona when no hijere na la. He got to area no ofian. That was how our problem started. That was how it started. She literally had no issue with Mommy Kinebo. It was all for my sake. It was all for my sake. Area to area go yasmo. Ije me Mario ko bi ya to area bi me. Imagine seluya de. Ima era to area. Era me ma era. Era me ma fi takade. E we bu era me gaje. Era me e polera to area fi taka driver. U polera me ya re we bu. I believe we am me egbe wa o de. Ime ni je me guyu me ya to area de. Ime na ya me de o ba to area. Area to area ya mu e me o. Ba re baba ni baba re ba mi go. Baba re na to area ma ya mu. Actually, my yamu baba. Try na the baba, try na gbe baba. Actually, na ha get push baba. Na when baba get na ga ko na gele gbe baba kele go na we ri oje osu wa ya gbe. Osu we ke na try na ti gbe baba no fian e no fian e da. Unu no nu gwa ni ke no ri e ikwa gele ni. O wa ya collect. And then take me on my cap mommy British of my I am the video. I try to drop a video. Who drop a cake? Oh, wait, Twari. Oh, wait. That was how I started. Nene mila na ina weto gawe so ye mila o. Imane reni ya ne. Ejuli no do mila. Ori tiene Asaboro medani. Miya we e kana gbiye. Iya ga mu emoji yo ga ge kya. Awi ya yin mi faki. Ina yin ana run pa keka. Ima yin anebo my people. If I were walking away for where? You know where? In here, but I just choose the person who choose me. And here you may, when I open up. God bless Frank. Frank or what man? Woman, I record that I want him, eh? I tell you, yeah, go on, you know, if you never, you go and see if you never. Yena mi evidence yen kan Asaboro wa so do ere ni o kan gele viesa ina wi on gele o tere na ma jo because o mari ye no bare ni me ya ti ona ye no bare ti ni ana fi wi yen no mo mi joli London ina wi jaro ajo ina pa jo oni recording wa mi ni Asaboro ni atuari na yo gan ago me record juli na me record me vi ogie o ti o ma nebo ogi ana kaso batuari e lo ri me yare me na vi open mo mi kinebo was thinking okay they were still together me na vi onu e mo mi kinebo no vi ogie I go ya na fi ogo me wo de wa da Asaboro ba mi record u ga ti Asaboro mu fo anyway una was na we gbe wa re ni o mo ni eti o le se e mo ma wo se la ni ide ni eti e de to ma se la ni pa e o fo o se la ni de ni eti e no wo ma o ri ti e mi na ja ni mi conversation na mo mi ko dore o so no so ni ga wa ko gbe bi ere ri mai ya ro no so mi ti to so atuari we mo ti me ta we a no sunu but ma o me madame who wa no random person no wa me well Demila me that is how Emila came up who were the issue again Emila ya la naturally na wa Demila ji go when Emila o me wa soji Mama Efe of Canada single-handedly gave me a cow, not just a cow, a trailer of igiti we ihe akwe nwa mebi me na we e dey pure water ijo wa e no bon me say na tell me ye give gani let them just bury my mother and let me have peace oh we akate na mommy akate my one let me do it trailer of can water ona mu buy do I really deserve this one oh we me problem here I know not be say for math no me kile bona one. This only wrote on it. Boy, guys, then. Won't work me then or la mea. Do you need anything? The man need anything. You may go di no re in London. You man need any. A woman in a Manchester, ma kieka away. And your bokere. Or say, no re bejo. And your air cash me eternal. And your bokere. Mommy and Ekmenore in London. Was it not 10 cartons of wine? Each was 6 bottles. 10 cartons of wine. Each carton was 6 bottles. I was like, yeah, you need dinner. They all supported me financially. And now I bet my phone, yeah, it's over. Now I wait. You know, Franco wa ma wese. You know what titi wa ya ma wese. Que no more Settie we me wa wese. Eni buna me unegbe. Arrested. But Atuari told that story. She rearranged it on a mwele factory. Atuari gi mu eke factory day on a factory fitted. Ina anegbe mota. On a moso no that was how Atuari brought problem between me and Johnny London. There was really nothing. But Atuari succeeded in creating problem between myself and Johnny London. That was what it is. Eri mayaro inadi ogume onadi ogeja. Actually my way. Actually wa oni pote adimono yawe elovo ni ha o ma oni mapa we awe no ni pa eke we no na pa ni e pa beni aga gbese so te oni la commit yes that fe money kani dan wa mi o screenshot of your actually only mun apa no wine now o screenshot of your ni ana gele bo ni amagwa gbe na ri no wa mi ni ana gele gbere gure tu ani ba wa de kina gonu na pa uye ya comment ye wa we yan e fi kaka te gbe to ari won se orí ke ba pa o ma da me e me vela no de verwo ajina iga to ari no na ku di de yokere o ise kin ago do we la reverse o ya de actually mo te la reverse no fi range ke ba pa we o we o ke range pa de range ni fu e gba ona mo small ka opurufu o ke ba pa ona mo calamity ge fofo o ke gbe fofo pa ona we electric no electric te o ri deji na no na de wuga to ade o wa de ri eke agbon ya lawo da to na wo di eke ya gbere no na gberi eke gbegu hie imoto no ya mu ito ta wo emi no ma sunu atwa ina we ma na mu gi mama igi meta said yo we mu kine bodo boro imego ya ti mo le ba wo ya ti mo to atwa ri ma de ati forgive we baba Twari, forgive you, Baba. Do you know what that thing cost me? I think it's obvious. None of us say me and mom you can both day very good test. But because of that thing, both of us went apart until time healed everybody. I actually succeeded in destroying anything that gives me peace or joy. It actually my own say. Then you no fear, you come and comment so that's what she do me. You the mad? You know what how many things what try don't do me? You got try no matter when say I try no fear type, I try no weird. I try in a bishin ye kerene, you get coward in. You got me first of all, you might make bad you up on it. Why I wear any time to take it? Or let my try to mark here, they quick be. I make the weapon. Finish. Or before them, so nobody you walk come on your way. Say I know why I would and it was wopo. Ofo, Nana sat to a dear. Only not to a me. I try to master. Only now, Hammy, I will watch and watch. I'm a gainer. And they're going here, I try to now, Jalo Pion, my aim get. Or 1 hour, ma. On a living wedding, Asaboro me. On a veja Asaboro here. Only video a piece in ya. On a win on again a gahoy. Nagini, boroni no me. Only little be your aga. Ah, try na muno a picture. We're not doing yet when or over. Try na guy la bego here. Another guy will WhatsApp here. On a gele, body recure. You have a good 200 pound. 200 pound do ya Maria Dazer. That's why I didn't work in. Oh, immense when man to immense so that I just want you to go back to your blackboard. That is why I am very soft today Sunday. Just pray, make God, Holy Spirit not take over. I just want you to go back to your blackboard. I don't need your apology because now that boy apology. I'm going to deal with you mercilessly until I am satisfied. And why I need because anytime I sleep, I wake up, reason the present situation where they happen now. Can't reason the role where I replay. Oh Jesus, I'm Moses me without no bullet or battery. And I'm Moses me without no bullet. Yeah, here or battery. Ogbatwari so atwari iwe ni tamawe no make na re blackboard maybe wa leru go sa obo so no boy ati help we bo me ade say no go to we ade is a sin go to God in prayer with Salopua. Ekeke unari Asaboro out of greed, ignorance, selfishness. Yes, you bego go yeke. Yata musa obua, sabua ti do yobo kan. Bene Nigeria, mami mani mi ameni, mami kinebo, padi me no that land, mami no re Canada. Why gwe na iko yakwe makwe because actually we me. Actually ga muje mari. Oro lewu ya kan popo yeye wu yo e. Popo ni. E popo mi akan ozo isi akan ya to ariwe iko to fie odo love ya unu e eri awa to ari no won amese. No fie ba na to ari mo bo gbe. No na to ari mo bo gbe. Atuari u serio o wele ne baba na baba re sere e baba re kan itaman atuari bu shoma marriage na wo he kan we kan atuari no na san marriage we wa mie na we ga hiania e na we pa akwe me we pa e akwe me we de gbe here ha egbe na iwe mani down e ma na we ai down e ma we e na me wo fu akwe me mama we fu atuari bu shoma man atuari we sign your marriage. We sign your marriage over here. You may be interested in it. That was why I picked it up from there. Que doit la toi dire o kalo tu esumo. Actually as this week is it. Mommy when you know be you have right esumo fans. Esumo follower. I know they tell anybody where to go where not to go. Or deni mara actually just stay clear because we make any market. There you are wa kun yere mu ejumo mu. Ya to ari mu e Giatuari muyogena. Ere no yena. Giesi jono ven. So be very careful. Ubi egbebo. Or deni malatuari. Always stand from afar and watch two of us. I told her to he who fight and run away must surely fight another day. I ran for my life to come back again. And I came back sound, steady, and ready for Atuari. Uhuna actually ya gbere ro kan uhuna ebe mu kan isi nwane ya musu ya mu kan to ari enwu ya gagbe obe gi bere actually what you no ndigo nde transfer we awa mego wa actually I think manipulate we actually awa mi e wo bo we gige oh wa you better we you are good for baba na baba what you on our maseni in fact on if no let social media you marry with social media no that one mad not dey cover actually was sign anyway e on na ye gwa no we na marry immediately e ba ri eje actually we no re no ni ya fi e ke gbe we e o salobari ti oni ni actually go salobari ti re na o igi mo ti e o salobari ti actually now they piche baba na baba re no mule here ona ri e word screen ona ri owo si meni me we mo esa yo ona ri to baba e ona we ni eva ugbe o igi abi ona toy ona tasa o tasa na mama re tie me o mama re tie me no gun to patuari na we agwalezo. May everything just go like that. I beg Asaboro. Ina wiyo. Then I won't book every ano. One ni ma oni gwezu ona ni. Uya ne wani gele won ka gbe ya ni. O wa gi birthday here. Actually gbori owe. O moto gbe mani si ko eni o gbe. So gwenoro no zuo ni awe Asaboro. O ga ede do gbu we di mi. And o he gbuera e TikTok no. Adobo mi we video TikTok ipe wa ro ni gaga la wo han igbiju e iju ogbe o ma eta ma we wi yen iju iwi yen o e to ni ma we e o ma eta we wa apobo ni yeah you think so ugele zuwo I couldn't prove it because ima on e wokun e we ido mu gu enu amule la bidun yan u ya na to ari Mezuo, may you work with I couldn't prove any. Like seriously, you think so? I couldn't prove any. I couldn't prove any. So I should just bring the picture. When sorry, my darling. Sorry, I did not finish your comments. Oh, then Allah, listen and listen well, so that I don't know that anybody knows it. Oh, then Allah Gbava, Ariawa. Ani Sajo, Aonami Gbava, Ariawa. I refuse to disclose his identity because you know what? He is a person I cherish. Ogeli ama be media, mama. Unyiwe no nyiga ama, mama. At that heat period, he got yell at them women on it. You go home and yo. So I never wanted that. I stood on his behalf. I get a blue black. Sorry, Philomena's away. I'm sorry for that insult. Sorry, I did not finish your comment. I was not as foolish as actually thought. That was the pressure actually mattered on me. I'm telling you for free. Now, though, I said it. I don't said it. I was so wise, and I'm wiser than actually refused to understand that. And once I look women will be in every or that one party the picky walk go back or magwamo you they were so concerned about the money. Obama Ben at worry. And Obama I'm so contented with the little I have. I am more than okay with that small thing where God they give me. Sophie you want me. Sophie you want me. So that was the pressure actually mattered on me. If you don't understand that, let me make it clear to you. He has his own flaws, yes. He offended people, yes. He stepped on people's toes, yes. And on his behalf, I am still pleading on forgiveness. If you people can forgive, but I will allow nature take its course. I will allow time heal everybody. Actually settle down, manipulate the spreading. That was what actually did to them. But would that because of that, can't they deny that he was so good? No! He was a terrorist on this media. He was all for actually sake. The funniest part here that he went he had to what was my problem with this? You don't ever see if actually they cry for WhatsApp. If they cry for their ear, you not get choice than to help. You not get choice than to help actually constitute nuisance. Because that's all she's known for. Now so those people get to where they foresee themselves. That was how they found themselves in that mess in that way. So whosoever, not whosoever, people that he has offended socially, he might have cyberbullied you, one thing or the other, casting your pictures, turning it upside down. Bullied your parents, waya lao, walao, walao. A waya gbomo gini digwe, walao. Nudane udo salokwa, walao, walao. Atu ari omi won, ona atupa mu. Atu ari omi won. Ona when you hear it now, on gele de ba wan de, on gele we wan de genuinely. That actually single-handedly manipulated them with a little touch of jazz. Actually, but it's fine. It's all about no gele record or bury here, or bury here that dog. They never did it out of their free will. And when I've done actually, as of 2024, I really like New Year not actually way. Mama, you need a problem. This year, revolution is peace. Do not fight anybody who does not fight you. Actually, way or my suki baba. No problem. That was when some of them decided to say, you know what? Let's start being ourselves. But did they actually allow them to be? Because of Ekian, Uhian, or Watuari. Nick Nuere one line, Nick Yagere one line. And I'm there. They never make up more. They will have to add it away. Huh? The way so, but I'm more areas. But thank God for God. Facebook now you banned a nude. Actually, was literally doing it as a coven, not just a secret coven. Okay, you have to pledge something. Either you pledge your parents' pictures, your siblings' pictures, or whatsoever that is dear to you, you have to pledge it. Okay, setting day by GPC. Should in case you are misbehaved. That is why when you see some of them running back and front, it's not their fault. Only God knows whatsoever they have pledged to actually. They don't want to be humiliated. Let me put it that way. That was what actually the whole actually hold on these people. They all knew actually was a nuisance. They knew. Yeah, people thought people understand. But they just can't help it because why? They have found themselves in that position. That was exactly what actually did. So I'm not doing it because of the Baba in question. No. I am telling Atuari what exactly she did to me. And I am thanking God in heaven that I am still alive to speak to those who are willing to hear nothing but the truth. Julie London never pledged me cow. She never did. And I never demanded for cow from her. But actually twisted it to suit her conscience, to humiliate me, to bully me. Actually, we are here with remembrance said women are gonna see me. Imana via mi le hanu evi o managbo. Ina me yeke ina vio. Do me wo ko to bo we akoke. On here with remembrance ra o ri jouer. Ti me wo Asaboro ruo yo to. Moi rêve ni go de wo. O me go wo kan wa. Twari in one. Now you feel exactly what you gave to me. This is just an enemy of an iceberg. You see, this one is very gentle, very polite, very calm. I can't explain to those people where lost along the line, where don't know where me and you from they come. Then maybe my next coming, I think come with that koboko we could read a post. I go come on to the body gili ya mo that bo yeke. Because wow. Ugo da oye do anya ofo afo we uga nya uga bile koke uga bile fanta uga bile amenwo amboso uga sa anu ba uga fu e we tank o ma ti fu e vuvu o ma ti fu e range o ma ti fu e opuruf o ma ti fu e motor le ya nu wa si lo ogun ya nu re asaba nu re bo nu wa avio wa ya gbe owo ye perfect o ma ti fu e yan ropa but uga gbete uga fu e we uga sa menwo won. Oga same won wa to ari. Oga same won wa da. Atik wale Julie wayero. That wali we. Wa ge no we ho. Umana ge no we ho na ise we. No we ho. No ma we me we yi. O we kan ati e baba ti e. O kan do bale na. Emi e teme we fa kan anu we. Won pe awon ohun egbe afefe okin ati ewe gbe we wu baba awa wa wari o jaseleke a okin agbon nu e ra inu ja ni ma e wa dan awon erun da won no fi un yeze yan o mu re o ma no to me o ka mu le to me ni we no le ra enu iso actually to wa ga wo who iga he I repeat let's let peace reign is yin ai ikagbe an le 4 years ago yeah, so a vogal lawe be. Me masin ewu magbe 4 years ago, but I do one before, do one again now. I don't feel do one 4 years ago. I go still feel do it. Actually, do it again. I blast man. I don't move. Whether woman I quarter that. Now blast do money. I business you to no men. We are birthday. We hospital. We are my bien et no more. Wallahi. When I'm be we make sure we are birthday with hospital. That's the best birthday gift ever. We are birthday with hospital. We are in menefe no be honest. Awe awabu. One gon with. Dans les boire, on y okere no gwe go di mo na ye banana no mama ni banana mama we yakale banana ya fe una ya ri oni ya dans les boire. Nu gi sakmara nwa ni la bi we na yuwa o. Who je mere. Try go send people, may they go find person papa and mama for where they sit down put. Because we wa mi no me o ge no e ko akowe. Wa ma me so be wepo wa gwa le bi so wa we agi mu ju ere ni ginia una so atu ari we emi nu Settie enu ja no e le nu le nu dan we na ugwe kin asun ari u kin aji le ve nu pisana nu risana eru kin ari yo ogun gwe be kenu je so ba forgive me mu gbe church for me. Where I'm in Gualo, Gumejorine. Okay, can't take the hero. Gumejorine, actually. Who now we elder? Oh, honey. You think you're gonna go away with it like that? That's impossible. I will move on. Not because of the man. Listen and listen well. Even if it's because of him, right? Anyhow, not take I leave everything like that. Whether or whether not, what it is. There's nothing anybody can do about it, or anyhow it happen. But as for actually to humiliate me for no just cause, when she know fully where she is the useless person on that whatsoever is happening, I will there big man actually. Our man actually you say. So anytime I tell reason any part where I forget, I could come. Don't tell yourself you wear or talone or I wear baba. I will not wear very soon. Anytime anyone else anytime my head. Okay, I go come back. Even if say Facebook don't help you drop all those videos. See, you see this my head, it not drop. It's all detailed in here. And they don't when on lost a memory, or me man lost a memory. Or me or written a memory. Many short memory. Then I wait. No me HD when you high. And they make bad. But where you must collect. You must collect. For people's parents you have bullied, you go collect. For people who have fed you, the hands that have fed you, you insulted, you go collect. Who not near you where you near, actually, you go collect. I don't want to hear Ikag before. Let her be making noise. And don't forget my nickname is Star Crier. Yeah, I'm married. Wow. You make a name no balo here. I got bewe police in or ayari right. No when I we where you any who were you fair be aye, any no etwario, who can add the yaki de go here. A mini ya fefe no dream Jimmy. Oh far, no so bueno. No bue, a do reve not be. Here in Fred get problem. Actually, can't tell us say two family were involved. My girlfriend, my sister, remember that also. Hey, page. This is family A. This is family B. We not tell it now where a friend in lovey. Or so in am we wear glasses. Lovey. Or that from when. Waga Asaboro so call you wawa. Or may say, Okwame, what been a little more for our friend. Family A now go up like this. Family A was like this. Family B now come and me family A on your show. When family B na me family A, so family A na help family B. No matter what you call leg again or you. Family A B na say oh I love you. Then you on Facebook oh friends. So family A was already on top doing charcoal business. I make no do no yo bawa. Ki opero na to ari go no result na ma. Ma. Charcoal business or ya do ona see even na the charcoal wa. No mami hu mi a o mi e ya la webo imeri ya jalo piere ye e bi e ki oparo le oboji ogbere ki esaga ade ki gbe nene e potin amune agbina ko dore o ma iri rek ori e noro ori e ya okwo ebu o winyo ye ki ne gwadu ye ki ne won wa ye ki no wa ye ko wa ye ki no do ki yo boss ro wa be yo wa pun wa they am working with you. Why are you here Facebook? I'm not a dead boy. And if your boy almost a dead boy, nothing lasts forever. Aha do ne ke cha ko iba boro wi edo kin ke ne obewe dan no ayere ni we mi ro pa mes ko me no jo mo ko ya si we school e ti ape rusticator ni we school se e ti ape ko ni we school actually just say but I no go to school actually am pe no school ofifi ogba lo wi enu hun ni we wo pe no school we hun ni iya wa kwa bruce we school ya wa rusticator school o ma finish wa ge Netherlands on e do school ave school na do computer ko do jo fo because someone not get a school in a campus. Eti wa total before kwakara wo wale. A student, a graduate. Eti. What the boy can always ababuli. Oma jo ya we half education. Ina titika when name half is a disease. Half education. Half education wa no say. Ina wa kwa brusu bi school. Ina rusticated school. Oma ta ma to ari e ko ya fe gbe ma to ari. Try na me my husband is a graduate. Oh jao. Oh iwa mi no je school fo. O papa ko wa ha to ari wo ro ta fi na. O ma gi e wo no wi aze atu ari we. E fa mi o bo mi ere mi o ya run awe so ta. So family be na content. Family na go up again. My people. Later family be na content. Very what time. Oh me de video ni ayaro. That me video ni oba proko the godfather na ite me gbe video ni oni o wa iko ire ni family B na conda na family na rise again family B is coming family B no come ari de na to ari family B pa so are the family B na ego ade onuro mama family B the family B o wa ruwo de oditashi o yeru we e kan so ahunwe to mi e kan so ami boya ko ma ti ase wo family be na kon danger the family be no kon danger what diglant u bere no si emire u bere mi no siri odo agbele agbon community of the washing machine u lede u jalopi de ku ke luggage u le iwe luggage la wona iwe na siele iwe la ya na siwe la UK Mugirebo, we mere. Nene, you go one year, I want to wear it. Oh, bad, console as you who wear it, what other for no money, what total everywhere, daughter for your role. I bet what you go get on your boy. No time, I'm going to walk in Netherlands. This will go near very well, copy couple. In copy couple, a lady, where they all well enough for you get where get them, wow, or quote the say where they all. Ah, yeah, rule them one and a half. You buy vana lo be palo e mona ro du kuno bia na ro pa ni ku vana re o gba na re afun ro ni ku vana re one ro wherever the phone ari palo nu yo ko e ba gbo e ru gba ya live abia ri o do ta magbon ge ri wa ya live nu na to eru mo ne vita zo ade ro la iru fin ari o ro fi go ra o se we gbele carton gbele mi ya we be di gbele o we o ma mi se o bo we ari yo ko e ba gbo Udalo babe ho de lo ba mo si family B na go da ge family B go e go dukun eru ya ge family B go eru ya kin na gbe son glass we wo ga son ge na love ade fo ade la bi de lo to we ni ma we you go dey do fufu for mopo we unless the media no work be go aro we any woman tell me ni ge wa re o so lu so lo ba yo bo kan won yo very yo yes no they are so ju o da gbo mi o to ju gbe o ya ge family B ya ge family B who mo dia no we freeze re mu go enu we gbe la jan lupo ya ge lu ma we ge bo ya ge bo wa oh well why say temu agbon ewe ugbe ko hunlego uga ile to geri ni une ibere le ko ba ko pe atin we musoduku ne ye iwo ke oma we se ba ne o ai le se wo so no mudia ni ya we ya wo hin ye ke ru pa we de soto don he de go ko to imu yan ri agbon wa agbe o unwina ne na tu bere no je iga agwa lo we hin ai TikTok igwa lo we hin na son we ima me we online na son iga agwa lo we hin ni no ko orun la ni do ya tu bi you awe na imami ewe atuku nwina nene ya ubere we no je wa iro de gboto gbi we na gemi la na we beria Kwa hin oze wa, kwa hin obe de kan ma wu lo pupe allocation ba e wa. Ou ki ba le go di mo won. Family bi na kondan. Ya ge family bi nu wo kondan. Ya ge family bi nu wo supon yo enye. Ya ge family bi nu wo wori go ne ya fi ku. He wa ri go ne wo gwale ku wa. U gwale wa no bi hia. Ohun wo ri go ne ya fi. Wo ne nia. Wo me wo gwa no han go we mu di ayaga. Wa ye gbe ta onu ya pe toilet wo wa. Nu pe ki aiba. Tu ma yi go ya woga. Ase no woga ke woga. Ogwe emi no kwa ogwa lo fun ya le u te wi gele aya soga wori ya wa gun ni gele ni ave de gwe ni emi wa no leke nu je gbera ne gbawe owuko tan egwu ya nu boko ye we ni a we ko ani ori uje oro do kai ma tu a diet na wa bu wa gun the diet no ni eru uje ya ni oruwe family B ejo te wa keke nu ko ya won doze order fún wa win na o ya gba ore mo gba o kan wa peti hin ore ready we nu te ani we me donuts o wai me ga mi eti ye iye ga mi ko do e do iye mu me ya ni yo wa e mo pa jare isu sevire si go mo pa ikun avire si go ibe mare iye re akun wa ri yo ko agbon ya la ku seve nu je wa gbe o me rest egbe mi na ni o lek tu we mari la ke gbe wa gwa le gbe la fini no we wo ogun ma fit ogun wo so do se wo si go se e ti ru ojo e wani me mu kan actually no be safe for mat or e wani come me my way obi ogwero ne me a me no hin no me wa be yo wa bu won awa gbon ya no ta go be no ya zeire ohun no ga e opi ame ka me ye no get if you know ji me ran we ne at all almost one me go and ask agbe ohun family bi to gbo e wa gbon family bi gbe iwe ohun je rita igbo e wa gbon nya va partition re no e o be ni eva eya obegi yan fa won ni ri doctor je ni o te wu o te la ki o te fi awu uwu no ga ewu bete wa e baba wa ri oja isan pe ni wa ja lo ya gbe pada ya gbe pa keke we vont no munya hu ona ye na ri yan na ya agologo na pe ye ke pote wigi na wigi e we abuso bonito ya get family bi ya get kunrita they are all living well doing well individually. To my best of knowledge, everybody's okay. To their capacity. With the support of community guard. And you refuse to follow community guideline. Anybody will not follow community guideline must return community property. You must return her. Because I got come who get here. You don't even allow them to have voice. You make them voiceless. To avoid public disgrace. Good morning, mommy engine. WhatsApp. Where they complain because they are mama. You thought it's going to be like that forever? Actually, hell no. Hell no. Unless I see true repentance in you. And go and know God. Then we're turning. I know about God. No, you don't know God. Go and pray for forgiveness. No, salobo yo bo kan wa here fe. No gele hot, unjust. Then you will know peace. If not, when I say PEACE is very far from you. Even your 5th generation is very far. It's very far. It's very far. And you knew what you were doing. You make her against people who stood for her. just to revenge the humiliation you had. Because you knew the way the world loved her. You turned her against the world. So then now, when she became what she became, you did not even celebrate that. I know calling Mugu okay Nigeria Day. Also we whipper. I know who everywhere say we whipper. Umari go give you that. You never celebrated her. When she, oh God, me I go Sarugwa, ni mwegbe. You only like praise and worship. Tuari, wa lerun o, lo salobo wa egun asebe na. Salobo wa visit me say, today is your free day. Whatever is working, kakwepa. I don't know what will become of you. I don't know what will become of you. Imagine you tell what I'm agbo. I don't need it. Also those fake. Tell yourself nothing but the truth. Deviate from evil. Know what is good and do it right. Stop manipulating adults. Stop it. Especially at their vulnerable time. And stop bullying them with their notes or any secrets they might have told you in person. As a human being they thought you were, not knowing that you are a devourer. That's why be warned. Be warned. Yes, I will single-handedly expose you bit by bit. No rush at my convenience. I will do it. Trust me. No rush. If you refuse to know God in spirit and in truth, especially truth, because wherever matter we balote, especially truth, and start behaving like a human being, not like an animal, I will so deal with you. I will crush you. I will crush you with no mercy. When make any moti get na go regile, iriya go. If not, our work man wa izera pa. Abrusu. E ko fi paro amu pa gbegbe kan orin egbo e won be de mu aro to. Wa gbon we fi pa we have it was a cold war. A cold war gele anu. Whatever. Odo bibi wa mejeje wa nyanwani. Erio abrusu mari ere o atwari mari e bae. Uso moje wa odo bibi wa mejeje o. Erio o bia mari ere o ko mari ere. Uso moje. E ma ya ni masse we wa yo worry about. I will never go without singing for you. Twari ere ni gbe wo kan o ere ni gbe wo kan o e fe gare wo gbe o re ma lele ara gbe o ere ni gbe wo kan o na mami o wa twari o e ti re wo gbe eyan ma na lele ara gbe o won de oba ije o ga twari danu mama na era eme go ije eme o ona we woye kede o ogu wa gba wa ogu wa ri ase o ma pe edupo lori won ogu wa gba wa ogu wa ri ase o ma pe ije ri won o atwari na so ga lu go ona ga lu yiyan wa okede yan go ga lo ona ga lo etin yan wa o ọmọ ẹ ò rí rí ẹwọ́ ẹ ò pé nínú borí àwa ọ̀sùnú da ẹ̀rọ kéjèrè o èmìnà tó ya ẹ̀ka o àtúwárí pààyẹ́dẹ́ Facebook kí wọ́n ṣe wọ́tà ẹ̀rẹ́ àṣẹ kẹjọ òrìjọ lìrì ṣùgbọ́n rí wọn náà ẹ̀wọ̀n akédòrè ìmẹ́ẹ̀dọ́ yìí gbọ́ ẹ ọ̀rọ̀ àgbẹ̀ tó àrí ìwọ fún ẹ̀nà dẹ́tù wọ́n ẹ̀rẹ́ rí ọkàn ajé ure azeke yuwe Facebook ure agbije no mana boy ure agbe emani ma gbe ure agbe mana o se osunu nena we na do jere we o ri ojejo we le peace repeat o agbo we na ti peace o ma no me peace o ri no ma o ma no peace